Okay, today I'm going to talk about what makes me feel stressed. Now, I'm currently studying business administration and marketing at UPC. I'm working at a company Nike. Balancing responsibilities is one of the main things that stress me out. This situation has been going on for a while, but recently it's being more intense. I often have classes in the morning and then work in the afternoon. At the night, my English classes at WeTalk UPC. I still have to do assignments or prepare to exams. I know this routine will continue and things might get even more demanding. For example, next week I am going to work at a big project at a Nike event as a Mundial de Clubes. And at the same times, I will be preparing for a final project in at the university. That means I must be very organized now, or I could fall behind. Uh, it's stressful. It's very stressful when everything happens at once. For example, in the future, I might to have to reduce my work hours or manage my time better. An internship uh, might have no, might be starting next semester, so I will need to plan carefully. I also uh, that more responsibilities are going to come as I get closer to graduation. To deal with stress, I write down everything I need to do and try to follow a schedule. I also listen, for example, to music, to electronic music, or to K-pop music, or go for a walk with my families, with my friends, uh, with my girlfriend. No, to clear my mind, my ideas, and reduce my stress. Sometimes I talk to someone I trust. It really helps me for more in control. And for finally, even though it's difficult now, I I believe these experiences is going to help me grow in the future. In my future career, I might be under pressure to, so I see this as a good preparation. No, I know I will be better prepared to face challenges with confidence.